Hello friends, we will discuss the main concept, the very important concept, that is cost control and cost reduction in today's lecture. My name is Dr. Rupesh Bansode. I am working in Modern College. So we will start our session. Our topic for today's session is cost control and cost reduction. So what is control? Cost control is control the cost by setting standards and by comparing standard with actual results. So cost control means control the cost by setting standards and by comparing standards with actual results. So the various authorities has given various definitions of cost control. So we'll discuss one by one all the definitions. First definition is given by CIMA London, and according to CIMA London, cost control is the regulation by executive action of the cost of operating and undertaking, particularly where action is guided by cost accounting. Means what? So it is the regulation by executive action. Means what? It is the action which is taken by executive authorities. And how they can take this action? They compare the standards which is set by head of the departments of particular department with actual result of this department, and then they can find out on which cost they have incurred more expenses, and they can control this cost. So this definition is given by CIMA London. Second definition is cost control is a process which focuses on controlling the total cost through competitive analysis. It is a practice which works to maintain the actual cost in accordance with the established norms. It ensures that the cost incurred on an operation should not go beyond the predetermined cost. Means what? They set one predetermined cost, and the cost should not be beyond this cost. So that's why they set one predetermined cost, and after getting the production they check this predetermined cost with their actual results, and they can find out the favorable results, or it is called favorable variances, or unfavorable variance, it is called negative variances. So if negative variances are there, if uh, unfavorable variances are there, it means what? The actual cost which is incurred is more than predetermined cost or standard cost. So in this case they can control the more cost which they can incur. How they can control this cost? By comparing standard with actual cost. They can check on which elements they have incurred more costs, like direct material, direct labor, or direct overheads. Correct? And once they control this cost, their standards can match with their actual results. So in this way, they can control the cost. Third definition, according to the third definition, cost control involves a chain of functions which starts from preparation of budget in relation to the operation, thereafter evaluating the actual performance. Next is to compute the variances between the actual cost and the budgeted cost, and further to find out the reasons for the same, finally to implement the necessary actions for corrective discrepancies. So this is the various definitions of cost. The step of cost control, it is very important concept. Step of cost control. So in step of cost control, we have to discuss the steps which are involved in cost control. First step is establishing norms, means to set the standards. The first step is in cost control is to set norms or standards which may serve as yardstick for measuring measuring preference. The standards are set on the basis of past performance adjusted for changes in future on the basis of studies conducted. So this is the first step to set the standards, to set the standard cost in respect of direct material, direct labor and direct overheads. Then second step is comparison with the actual. Standard cost should be compare with the actual results to find out the variances. The actual cost incurred are compare with the established standard cost to know the level of achievement. The variances are analysis so as uh, to arrive at causes which are controllable. Then after comparing these standards with actual, they should take necessary action. They should take necessary actions. So say third step is corrective action. Remedial measures are taken to avoid the recurrence of variation in future and for revision of standards whenever necessary. So in this way we have seen what is cost control. What is next is cost reduction. So what is cost reduction? Cost reduction is a permanent reduction in per unit cost of the product. So some definitions are given. One by one we should discuss the definition in details. First definition is cost reduction is a process aims at lowering the unit cost of product manufactured or service rendered without affecting its quality by using new and improved methods and techniques. It ascertains substitute ways to reduce the cost of a unit. It ensures savings in per unit cost and maximization of profits of the organization. So cost reduction is nothing but permanent reduction in per unit cost, uh, and this permanent reduction should be a long term uses. This is the first definition. Second definition is cost reduction aims at cutting off the unnecessary expenses which occurred during the production, storing, selling and distribution of the product. To identify cost reduction, the following are the major elements. First is saving in per unit cost, no compromise with the quality of product and savings are not volatile in nature. So these are the uh, two concepts, two very important concepts, that is cost control and cost reduction. So in this way we have seen these two concepts.